Hi guys, we have Ambika here with us. Hi Ambika. How are you?
I'm good.
Can you please tell us more about yourself and your wonderful brand?
Yes. Hi, Magica members. This is me, Ambika Mathur. I run a semi-precious brand with the name of Ambika Mathur Designs. And you can find me on Magica with the name of Ambika Mathur. And I have my Facebook and Instagram page with the same name.
Wonderful.
So here I'm showcasing my collection of semi-precious jewelry.
Great.
I guess some of you people already know about this brand, and for those who
Yes.
don't know, I deal in authentic semi-precious jewelry that has semi-precious stones, and I've just introduced these birthstone jewelry. They are related to the month of birth that you are born. So for
Wonderful.
January it is garnet, February it is amethyst, and so on. So like
Wonderful.
amethyst is a purple stone. So
Great.
you can actually mix and match these jewelry. Like you can have this bracelet and pair it up with these beautiful Bali earrings of the same
Oh,
amethyst.
so
So
pretty.
you can get this whole set, and I deliver pan India. And you can check out my page. On
And Ambika,
Facebook.
is there any relevance for these birthstones? Like,
Yes, actually these birthstones are suitable for the month of birth that I already told. So it helps you, meditate yourself,
Yeah.
reduces stress
Yeah.
and anxiety, and
Great.
give you peace and calm.
Wonderful.
So like for the May, it is emerald. So these are real emeralds, but yeah, in these small stones form.
Wonderful.
You
Wonderful.
can use it, I mean, of course, not like everyday jewelry, but they are very specific kinds because they are very delicate pieces that proves your personality.
Yeah.
So my jewelry I named Ambika Mathur Designs because every design has my essence in it.
Yeah. And we can see it.
So every piece of jewelry that is designed, it has got specific because I try to experiment with the metal texture, the stone color.
So let's start from this side. I see some beautiful bracelets.
Yes, these are American diamond with semi-precious stones bracelet.
Wonderful.
They're very elegant piece and they will go with your traditional as well as western outfits.
Yeah. And we have two colors
Two
in
colors like, yeah, red and green, they're very common and they'll go with every kind of jewelry.
it. Great.
This is again a agate piece.
Wonderful.
This is again, mine is very, you can say like you can wear it both traditionally as well as with the western jewelry as well. Like I'm
Yeah.
wearing a top and a trouser, and then I can comfortably wear it when it is not going, it is not looking out of place.
Correct.
So yeah, these
Wonderful.
are very minimalistic pieces because I want to outshine my jewelry, but then at the same time keeping it low so that it doesn't, your personality doesn't
Hide behind
hide behind
the
the
loud
that you're
jewelry
wearing.
pieces.
Yeah, exactly.
Wonderful.
Like these are very elegant kundan made, realistic kundan made
Oh,
designs.
so pretty.
Yeah, these are all Jaipur made. I have my karigars working for me in Jaipur, Gujarat, and Mumbai.
Oh, wow.
So yeah.
Great,
This
great.
is-
Can you please show me these beautiful jhumkas?
Yeah. These are metal based crystal jhumkis.
Wow.
These are very lightweight and very. They look actually very elegant.
Yeah.
Right now, it's the fashion of little oxidized jewelry as well. They go well with the suits and the saris that you'll wear. Like you wear a plain white kurta for summers, basically
Yeah.
for summers.
Wonderful. And these are some regular wear as well as party wear jewelry pieces.
Yes.
Wonderful. I see beautiful, beautiful earrings.
I've
Amrita.
introduced these face rollers.
Wow.
Like this is green jade. These are authentic stone face rollers. They are used as a massager.
Oh, wow.
The smaller stone can be used for under eye blemishes, the under eye puffiness, and this roller can be used for your cheekbones, for your neck, and for your nose.
Wonderful.
And you can just roll it through.
Yeah.
And before sleeping, like you do your night routine, you put some face roller or moisturizer, and then use this stone over it.
Wonderful.
So it gives you a more calming effect. It keeps your skin nourished, and these are good for summers.
Wonderful.
So it keeps your skin glowing, hydrated, and massage gives you healing properties, and
Yeah.
it heals you, and you feel calm, and you can sleep peacefully.
And also, it I think improves your blood
Improves your
circulation.
blood circulation, reduce wrinkles, acne. So
Wonderful.
it's good for overall your expression for the face that you.
Great, great. And what about these beautiful bracelets?
These bracelets, I've introduced them as a couple bracelets.
Oh, wow.
It's like for a man and a woman, like both complement each other. So I've
Yeah.
included one element into each other because a couple completes
Yeah.
You know, they complete each other.
Yeah.
So this is rose quartz and amethyst combination. Rose quartz is for self love and amethyst for the self motivation. So you know, as a couple, you can motivate each other and boost each other and improve your relationship also.
Great.
So these are some couple bracelets. These are basically can be used as a unisex bracelet as well. They can be purchased individually, or if you want to buy it in a pair, you can buy these.
Wonderful. And I think it's a wonderful idea to, you know, also connect with each other.
Yes, of course.
Great, great.
This is some of my evil eye collection. Like this is evil eye necklace, and you can complement it with the evil eye bracelet.
Wonderful.
One I am already wearing it. This is also one of the design.
Wonderful, wonderful.
These are again not exactly evil eye because it doesn't have eye, but
Yeah.
it has a little, you know, demonstration of an eye.
Right. Great. So guys, do check Ambika out. She has beautiful collection and I personally love her. I love her collection. And I have a lot of pieces that Ambika has. And Ambika, I assume you also just have one piece for one person.
Yes, mine is completely custom-made pieces. You will not find another piece of the same thing because I am not in the habit of designing more than one piece because including all these ideas all together is a big task.
Absolutely.
So every bracelet has a different element. Even if the stone is same, the charms may be different. So every person can have their own customized jewelry. Because for me, jewelry reflect the person.
Great, great. So guys, do check them out. They have birthstones, they have semi-precious jewelry pieces, they have
And
keychains.
zodiac jewelry as well.
Oh, wow,
According
zodiac
to the
jewelry.
zodiac sign of yours. Yes.
Wonderful. And also they have some beautiful necklaces.
Beautiful neck pieces for the kids, like these alphabets ones or these ones. And I have these beautiful message pendants as well. Like every pendant carries a message. These are very good for gifting.
Great, great. So Ambika, can you please share your contact number?
Yes, my contact number is 98-118-55111, and you can find me on Instagram and Facebook with the name of Ambika Mathur Designs.
Great. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys. Do check them out. She is absolutely